Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Family Squad. This is the Velvet Locks, back to you with another powerful, wonderful weight loss video. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to lose up to 11 pounds in 5 days. Now this is an extreme weight loss, and with good healthy meals, you will achieve this goal. Now today we're going to be working with some garlic, some honey, 1 lemon, some green tea, and 1 liter of water. Now today we're also going to need a pot, so please have your pot on the stove. And now I'm going to take the 1 liter of water inside your pot. Next you're going to take at least 2 cloves of garlic, and you're going to chop that up fine. Now this was already pre-chopped and jarred, and I did a video on this, so if you want to know how to preserve your garlic cloves, check down below in the links down below. Okay, so 2 cloves of garlic. Now I'm going to take at least 1 teaspoon of garlic, and I'm going to put that into my pot. Now we're also going to be working with some wonderful, powerful green tea leaves, which I've showcased in my videos before. This is the loose green tea, and I'm going to take about a teaspoon of that and put that in my pot as well. Lastly, we're going to take our lemon and we're going to slice this up. Okay, so just slice your lemons. Okay, and then take your lemon slices and pop that in your pot as well. And we're going to boil this on medium, on a low flame. So now you're going to boil this on a medium-low flame for at least 5 to 10 minutes. And we'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so we are back. And what we're going to do now is we're going to strain our tea. And lastly, we're going to sweeten it with some organic honey. And that's it, you guys. What you have is this powerful detox tea that's going to slim you down. It's going to help and shed 5 kegs, which is up to 11 pounds of weight off of your body in 5 days. So what you do is you drink this early in the morning on an empty stomach. Then during the day, you're going to eat healthy, light meals. Do this consecutively for 5 days, as well as drink lots of water, drink lots of teas. This is going to do it for your body, okay? Within 5 days, you're going to see some slimming down. You're going to shed a lot of water weight in the first week. But if you continue to do this, it's going to help to continue to shrink you down. All right? So thank you so much for joining me on this wonderful tea video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Thumbs up this video and share it on your social media platforms. And don't forget to check out my other channel, Velvet Vlogs, where you will see hair care videos, skincare videos, family vlogs, fashion hauls, and more on that channel. So please go over there and subscribe, okay? And you guys, thank you so much. Don't forget your big sis and auntie loves you. And until the next video, I will see you then.
Hey family, this is the Velvet Locks coming back to you with another powerful announcement. If you haven't heard about it yet and haven't tried it yet, well, I want to bring to you something that is going to help you on your weight loss journey. This is a powerful tonic that's going to help to flatten your stomach. It's going to get rid of that excess waste in your colon, so this way you can get rid of that excess weight. This is something that's going to help to lower your cholesterol levels, your blood sugar levels, as well as your blood pressure. For those of you who haven't been able to get rid of that weight and burn fat because of low metabolism. This is something that's going to boost your metabolism, give you that extra energy that you need to burn that weight. This is also going to cleanse your blood because it's a detox. It's going to get rid of those harmful toxins in your body that's keeping you sluggish from getting rid of that weight. So check out the Flat and Firm Belly Detox. This has been flying off the shelf like crazy. This is my popular detox tonic that's been working for so many. So if you're trying to lose weight, get those inches off, as well as lower your blood pressure, lower your cholesterol, lower your blood sugar, and boost your metabolism, give you extra energy, and suppress your appetite, well, check out the Firm and Flat Belly Detox. This is powerful, this is organic, and it's also safe for those of you who are on blood pressure medication as well as being diabetic. So check out the Firm and Flat Belly Detox, you guys. You will not be disappointed. It works. This is going to get rid of those extra inches off your waist because you're cleansing your colon and getting those wasteful toxins out of your body. So like I said, check down below in the description bar where you will find the links to my eBay store for this powerful Firm and Flat Belly Detox. So get your health journey back on track. Check out the links down below.